Hi, welcome to SIMS. Today's topic: Alfred buys an old scooter for 4,700 and spends 800 on its repairs. If he sells the scooter for 5,800 rupees, find his gain percent. Find the gain percent. So let's see the solution. Here, cost price means cost price is CP. CP means cost price is equal to 4,700 rupees. Old buys an old scooter for 4,700 rupees and it repairs. To add the repairs in the selling cost price. So 4,700 plus 800. This total is the cost price of the scooter. So scooter cost price is 5,500 rupees. And he sells the scooters. Selling price is 5,800. He sells the scooter for 5,800 rupees. So to find the gain percentage. So first to find gain. So gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 5,800 minus cost price is 5,500. So 5,800 minus 5,500 is 300 rupees. So next to find gain percent. So gain percent is equal to formula gain by cost price into 100. This is the formula of gain percent. So gain is 300 rupees by cost price is 5,500 into 100. So these two zeros will be cancelled. 5 11s 55, 5 60s are 300. So 60 by 11. 60 by 11 to simplify, then 5 by 11%. So this is the gain percent. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.